Have you ever wondered how bats fly in the dark without bumping into things? Or how cars know when you're getting too close to an obstacle? The answer is ultrasonic sensors. And today, we're going to learn how to use one with an Arduino. This little device, the HCSR04 ultrasonic sensor, uses sound waves to measure distance. It sends out a high-frequency sound pulse and waits for it to bounce back, kind of like an echo. To get started, you'll need an Arduino board, an HCSR04 sensor, some jumper wires and a breadboard, a USB cable to connect to your computer, and a computer with the Arduino IDE installed. To wire it up, connect VCC to 5V on the Arduino, GND to GND, trig to pin 9, echo to pin 10. Now it's time to break down the code. Open the Arduino IDE on your computer. If you do not have the software installed, you can install it by visiting the official Arduino website, which is available in the description. First, we define two pins, one for the trig and one for the echo. The trig pin sends the sound wave, and the echo pin listens for it to bounce back. We're using pins 9 and 10, but you can change them if needed. Now, inside the setup function, we start by enabling serial communication with serial.begin function and setting the baud rate to 9600. This lets us see the distance readings on our computer. Next, we set trig pin as an output because it will send the sound wave, and echo pin as an input because it will receive the returning signal. Now, inside the loop function, we start by making sure the trig pin is low for 2 microseconds. This clears any previous signal. Then we set the trig pin to high for 10 microseconds. This sends out a short burst of ultrasonic sound. Finally, we set it back to low so it stops sending pulses. Next, we use the pulse-in function to measure how long it takes for the sound wave to return. This value, stored in duration, is measured in microseconds. Now we calculate the actual distance in centimeters. Sound travels at 0.034 centimeters per microsecond, so we multiply the time by 0.034. But wait! Since the sound wave travels to the object and back, we divide by 2 to get the one-way distance. Now we will send the result to the serial monitor. We print distance followed by the actual value, and then add the units as centimeters. Finally, we add a half-second delay before repeating the loop. This prevents the sensor from sending too many readings too quickly. And that's it! Every time this loop runs, the sensor sends a pulse, waits for the echo, calculates the distance, and prints it to the screen. Now let's upload the code and see it in action. You can see the values change as you move an object in front of the sensor. And that's it! You just learned how to use an ultrasonic sensor with an Arduino. What project will you build? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification button so you never miss an update from Noobotics. Follow us on social media for more behind-the-scenes content and upcoming projects. Thanks for watching. Remember, every expert was once a noob. Keep building and see you in the next video.